Hey guys. What are you doing? Are you just hanging out enjoying the sunshine? Huh? You're so pretty. You have any eggs for me today? We got one egg. I'll be happy when it's spring. We'll have more eggs again. You're such a piggy. You're not supposed to stand in it. Blue! Come here, Blue. Chick, 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 chick. You're too busy eating. Hello, Millie. Blue. Are you gonna come be social? Huh? Well, hello, little lady. Are you sneaking by? You're so pretty. Yeah. Well, hello. You are freaking out on this thing, aren't you? Hello, Miss Blue. You're a sweetie. Yeah, you better go see what she's doing. You are. You're freaking out on this thing, aren't you? Huh? Alright. This Bob. I don't know why, but my husband named the hen Bob. He's an odd bird, too. There's Lily. Millie. Candy. Red Robin. Uno and Feather. Blue's a little social girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're not shy.